Hi, I'm Jeff Byers with Mainstream Technologies.
And I'm JD Robinson. Today we're going to talk about software maintenance and the fact that software is never truly static.
So a lot of businesses and government organizations that we work with, there's often this misperception, I think, that that software is static, that you build it and we have it and it's great and it meets all of our needs, and then okay, thanks, go away and we'll be fine for several years. And that's not really the case, is it?
Well, it's not. And I think you've got an idea that, well, it worked once, it should keep working forever. But it doesn't work that way in reality, because requirements may change, the software environment may change, operating systems are constantly being updated. So there's a level of maintenance that always has to be done to software. It's always a dynamic situation.
Well, I think that's a key, that technology is ever evolving. I mean, faster and faster, it seems, every year. So that it's something that does work today, even if some of the things in your business flow don't change, it's still the technology around it, the environment around it, the user demands. I was going to say, yeah, exactly. Expectations. The user demands are constantly evolving, because they have so much power in the palm of their hand now with their phones, that they expect that from any software that they're working with. And if you're not keeping up to some degree, it's going to be very stale very quickly.
Or just quit working.
And
don't forget security. I mean, that's such a top of mind concern these days. Without that maintenance cycle and that constant attention to new security vulnerabilities, new library inclusions, the software can be vulnerable to just about anywhere in the world.
Yeah, I think that's a great point, because that the risk associated with that these days, having a software issue, having a security issue, the data potentially getting out there. I mean, that has to be first and foremost in your thought process of what you're doing.
It affects everyone.
It does. And so a lot of the things that we do to, I guess, embrace that change, we use agile methodologies. So you can talk a minute about that.
Well, once you embrace agile, and that really just means a constant feedback loop of monitoring and adjusting, your whole software process maintenance is included in that. So in the development, it's important because you've got an iteration of requirements and development and adjustment that happens through the process. It's important to keep that going after the software is so-called complete, so that maintenance and responding to user needs, responding to changing business environments just continues throughout the life cycle.
Right. Thank you for viewing today our discussion about the dynamic nature of software, and look for more from us in the future. And thanks for joining me, JD.
Thank you.